What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over a trade recap, but guys, I don't know what to tell you. It's like, where did all the volume go? This is CTRM. It made a big choppy move from 550 to 770s. Yeah, there's a lot of money there that could have been made, but it was just so choppy. It got halted here, opened up, and then pulled back strong from 670 all the way down to $6. Then it shot back up to 7, then back down to 6, then back up to 708, then back down to 660s. And then finally it made another push. That's just chop. That's chop. That's not easy to trade. Sure, you could just buy and hold there and wish, but that's not a trade plan. This is just choppy, ugly action. Did people make money in there? Absolutely. Did people lose? I bet you more people lost than made on this one. It's just nasty, choppy action. We had AVEO. This made a nice, clean break from red to green, but I thought about buying it here in the 120s, but was unsure. And from 120 to 150, there's 30 cents there, but that's a really slow mover. Again, this is a big float, 117 million float stock. This morning on the gap scanner, we had ADMA. That one sold off, as you can see, which is what we're seeing a lot of happening. SGMO, similar story. Thought it might set up like a double bottom and go, but nope. Double bottom and fails. Then you had Riot, similar story. If it loads. There we go. It hit this bottom here at 450, and then it took right on off. And then it dumped disgustingly on this candle from $5 all the way down to $4.35 on a single 1 minute candle, and it's just fading. Guys, it's just over and over again. The look at this, up, straight back down, fade. It's just what's been happening, with the exception of AVEO. Let's get this AVEO up here. There we go. With the exception of this AVEO, there's just nothing else. Honestly, LFIN is up here on my top gainers and losers. Oh, what is that? UCLE. That's $1. That's a 50-cent move, but that's chop crap too. AVO is the cleanest one. Here, let me show you my scanner. Get this over here for you. There you go. It's just really crappy, choppy action. No trades for me today, and probably no trades for me for the rest of the week, honestly, just because I want to preserve my capital, and I want to preserve, more importantly, my mental capital, because I can always make more money, but recovering from like a bunch of red days is so hard on the mind. It's so hard on your drive, on everything, on your psyche. It's just really hard. So I'm just going to be looking at my scanners and working on some other projects that I need to be working on, that I've actually postponed because of my trading in the last 3 weeks that had improved a lot. And I'm just going to work on those projects for the rest of the week. I'm going to take a look at my scans. If there's anything that sets up, I'll trade it and I'll post up a video. If it doesn't set up, I'm not going to trade anything. And I'm going to work out on a couple of other videos I want to put out for you guys this week and next week. So busy week ahead of me: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Probably not going to be trading much at all. If I do take a trade, I will put it up on YouTube for you guys. But if I do not put up a recap video on YouTube, it's probably because I didn't trade. This is the type of action we've been seeing just since last week, basically, into this week. Last week I only traded 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday. That's it. That's all I traded last week. Just because it's just really crappy action. And you know what? I'd rather sit and wait, be patient, and when my setups come up, attack them with good size, and it'll just make up for all these days that I haven't traded. Anyways, guys, this is what's going on. This is what my scans are showing. If you want to learn more about these trade idea scanners, which are awesome, there's a link down below in the description section. You can click that. It'll take you to the Trade Ideas website with my referral link. Also, there's a coupon code there for 15% off your first month. Any questions about the scans, just drop them in the comment section below and let me know. We're going to keep our eyes on AVEO the rest of the day and see what's going on with that. But it's a slow mover, as you can tell. It looks like a big move. It's not a big move, but it's a nice move. If you got it in the 120s and we're able to sold into this push up to the 140s, 130s, hey, that's 30 cents. That's real good money there to be made. I wish I would have taken the trade, but nonetheless, this is where we're at today. And that's all there is to it. How did you do today? Leave it in the comment section below. Also, remember to hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and any questions you have as well, drop them in the comment section below. And I'll catch you in the next one.